Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to our YouTube channel TKG Daxter Zone, and today I have come up with an idea to help our CA and CMA students. Basically, I have decided to record a series of videos related to different subject. But first, I have decided to record a video related to law for CA intermediate and CMA intermediate students, and the name of paper will be corporate and other laws, right? So this series is going to help to CA and CMA intermediate students, right? So what is this series all about? Let's try to understand. First of all, we need to understand the meaning of the series and purpose of the series. The purpose of the series is to provide help in quick revisions for the student and to take their tests, so that they can get their feedback where they are committing mistake and what are their strong and weak areas, so that they can get the opportunity to improve upon. So the name of series itself is DKG. As you know, this is my name, Dinesh Kumar Gola, and QRT, its full form is Quick Revision and Test. QRT means Quick Revision and Test. So first we will do revision through this series, that is quick revision, and then we will try to participate in test as well. Basically, test will be conducted on Sunday, each Sunday, and basically in all 7 days for first 6 days, like Monday to Saturday, we will try to cover up our syllabus through quick revisions, and then we will participate in test that will be conducted on Sunday, right? So that's why this name is Quick Revision and Test Series, right? So what else we are going to have in this series? Just have a look about other details. First of all, we need to know the video timing. Video will generally be uploaded up to 8 p.m. every day, 8 p.m. every day, and this series is going to be started from Monday, upcoming Monday, right? So first video will be uploaded on Monday itself, and timing, the normal timing of the uploading of video is 8 p.m. And whatever will be taught through this video will be provided you in the notes forms. All the notes related to everything will be provided you through notes in PDF form or other PPT forms, through a group which I have created on Telegram, that you can join by clicking on it. I will provide it in the description below. So the name of group is DKG CA QRT series, right? So you can join it as well, because you will get notes from there, quick revision notes from there, and certainly it will be very helpful for your preparation. And after that, we will be having test on Sunday, as I have already told you. And what will be the timing of test, what kind of questions will be there, and how you will get the test paper, and how you will be able to submit your test papers. All the details, for all these kind of details, I will have to record one another video that we will do once we are able to start this series, right? So I will record this video later on. I'm just providing you the brief description about the test, that it will be conducted, brief detail about the test, that it will be conducted on Sunday, right? So this is from my side. Let me reiterate it. First video will be uploaded on Monday, and thereafter you will get one video on a daily basis. Generally, the video will be uploaded at 8 p.m. in the evening or in night, as you can say, and respective notes will be shared on this Telegram group, which I will provide in the description below. You can join it by going over there and clicking over there. And as far as tests are concerned, I have already told you that tests will be conducted on Sunday, and what will the other detail of the Sunday test, like how many questions, how many marks, how you will get the test paper, how will you submit your test sheets, and how will that be evaluated, etc., etc. Those all details will be shared later on, because I have to record another video for the same, so that I will share with you as soon as possible. For so let's move ahead. So, yes, what you can provide. So I need your suggestions. If you have better suggestions to make this series more beautiful, more result oriented, and more successful and more helpful for you, so just provide me the suggestions with respect to the video content and everything whichever comes in your mind, comes to your mind, that these are the thing. If we take care of, then series can be more successful and will be more beneficial for all the students. And yes, if you have any other topic which you want video on, or other subject which you want video on, then you can write in the comment box itself. If I get more and more comment for one particular topic or one particular subject, then I will try to record a video on that subject or topic as well. So do comment in the comment box what you are in need of. I will definitely try to consider that if more number of people comment for the same subject or topic, right? So let's move ahead. What is there? Yes. So now from my side is thank you. So guys, I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So just try to provide me your comments. What do you think of about it, and how can it be made more beautiful, more successful, or more helpful for all the students? So just mention it in the comment box. And if you have any another topic or subject which you want video on, so try to mention that as well over there. And please do like this video and share with your friends. And one more thing that is very important, first I am starting this with the subject law, right? Law of CA intermediate and law of CMA intermediate. And as far as CS students are concerned, I will try to record another series for CA intermediate students, that is CS executive students, because they have different patterns of examinations. So generally this series is not going to help that much, because the attempting answers pattern is entirely different. So if you are in need of CS executive test series, then please mention it as well, because I am going, in fact, thinking to record another series that will be exclusively for CS executive students, right? So first I'm trying to record this series for CA and CMA intermediate student for law subject. Then I will try to, I have in my mind that I will try to record another series for CA student itself for uh, ITSM subject. And then yes, financial management is another subject which I'm thinking on. So you can suggest what are the subjects or topic which you are in need for the video. But yes, this is primary understanding or thinking in my mind which I have shared with you. So guys, thank you so much and have a nice day.